Hi everyone, it's Amber and I am back with a project share. This is one of my little golden book altered junk journals and I just wanted to share this with you. I'm partnering with Skillshare in today's video. I want to thank them for sponsoring. They are an online learning community and I'm going to be sharing a little more of what they have to offer. Skillshare has so many things to offer. They've got over 20,000 workshops and classes ranging from business, art, music, inspirational instruction, pretty much anything that you can think of. So even if you just are curious and you want to learn a new skill, if you want to go over for inspiration on how to become a successful entrepreneur, even if you just have a skill that you want to get better at, Skillshare is definitely the place to be. With their Skillshare premium membership, you will be spending just under $10 a month. It is so affordable, and you will have access to all of those thousands upon thousands of workshops and classes. This class, Writing for Self-Discovery, is a class that I took, and of course I want to put my own twist on it and make a cute journal to journal in. But the whole point of it is the 6 prompts that she gives. It is so helpful. I absolutely love to write, and I just can't wait to get started. Because you're watching this video right now, Skillshare is offering 2 free months of their Skillshare premium membership. Just by clicking the link in my description below, it'll take you right over and you can join the already millions of creators learning with Skillshare. This is a custom order that I did for one of my sister's friends, and she wanted this Nutcracker book that I had, and she wanted it girly and shabby with lace and like ballerina stuff. She didn't want it so much on the Christmas side, but she wanted it like really, like I said, girly and feminine and just really, really shabby chic. All of the gorgeous dyed crinkled seam binding I purchased from an Etsy shop, My Scrap Cabin, and this is my absolute favorite place to buy my seam binding. It's where I buy all of my crinkled dyed seam binding, and as you can see, I used it here on the rings. I do get a lot of questions of where I purchase all my beautiful seam binding, and she's got so many colors and everything, so I'm going to leave a link to her shop below. So I hope that you enjoy this flip through. I made this super, again, like I said, girly and feminine, and this is how she wanted it. So if you have any questions of what I use and things like that, just leave me a comment, and I'm going to set the rest of this to music. Thank you so much. Enjoy.